So we start off today's video with someone who has super long hair. And it looks like she wants to cut the hair into a bob. So the stylist braided the hair up and he begins to cut the braid. Wow, look at this beautiful bob haircut. Now she does have the bottleneck style bangs with this one. What a dramatic transformation. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have the client doing a consult with the stylist. Looks like she decided to go darker and get a bob with bangs. Wow, absolutely gorgeous makeover. Moving into transformation number 3, she also has super long hair. Wouldn't it be amazing if she just cut all that hair off and got a pixie? That would be so crazy. But it looks like she decided to cut quite a few inches off and get more of a layered hairstyle. Very nice shape was added to the hair. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair, and she decided to go copper. Oh, I love her hair. So pretty. And if you guys already follow this channel, you know that this is by far one of my favorite hair trends for 2023. She looks absolutely radiant. So then we head into the next transformation. This one looks like it might feature another big chop. And she got a gorgeous bob haircut, beautiful tousled waves. Followed by this shoulder length hairstyle. And into another gorgeous layered haircut. So we move into our last transformation for today. And she also decided to get a bob. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.